Hi everyone, let me show you the controls of the 2019 BMW F750GS. So let's start on the left side. I switch it on. So let's start on the left side. This button here is you pull to flash and you push it forward for I-beam. Okay, you pull to flash and you push it forward for I-beam. When it's on, it's displayed here. Okay, this button is for the LED daylight. So when you have the little A here, that means the LED daylight is on and it automatically switches to the main light when it gets dark. Whatever you press on the button, whatever if you have the little A displayed or not, there is always something on in the front of the bike. Okay, so this button is for hazards, very easy. So this is the menu button. Okay, you can press it up and down. When you press it up, you change the upper line of the dashboard. So you press up, you have the odometer, trip 1, trip 2. If you want to reset, you press and hold the button. Trip A resets automatically every day. This is to enter the settings of the bike, and we are back to the odometer. When you press the menu button down, you change the lower line of the dashboard here. So you can read the outside temperature, engine temperature, average speed, battery voltage, riding time, the date. You also have the range, fuel consumption. There are two fuel consumption. Same thing, you press and hold if you want to reset. Okay, this is the instant fuel consumption. It's now displayed in liters per hour, but during the ride, it will display liters per 100 kilometers. Okay, we are back to the outside temperature. This button now is to turn off the ABS. So you should always leave the ABS on and traction control. It flashes, ABS and traction control lights are flashing. They will flash until you ride a few meters. It will stop flashing. That means the ABS and traction control works properly. Turn signal here, push to cancel. It also cancels by itself after a while. Horn is here. Okay. So let's go to the right side now. This button is for the heated grips. Okay. It displays here. You have 3 settings. 3 dots is the highest, 2 dots, 1 dot, and off. Okay. This button is for the riding modes. You have 2 settings on this bike, rain or road. So the throttle is smoother when you are in the rain setting. Okay. This button is to kill the engine. You press up to kill the engine, or to start the engine, you press down this button. No need to accelerate. You just press and hold until the engine starts. Okay. The fuel cap is here. You open it with the same key as the bike. You can put unleaded 95 or 98, like this. And okay. So now the cases. when you leave the bike, make sure you lock the cases like this. When they are locked, you cannot press this button here. Make sure the cases are locked, because if you leave the bike, the case is open, someone who knows can very easily take the cases off the bike. So let me show you how this works. You press the yellow button, you lift the handle, you press the yellow button again, and now you can pull the lever. You can do that one-handed. You can expand these cases. You have a lever here, and when you push down this lever, the case expands. So it's a bit, it's 5 centimeters wider. Okay, so you have more space for your luggage. Let me show you how to take the case off the bike. You pull this red lever, it unlocks this one. So now you can lift the case. Okay, there are 3 points to attach the case on the bike. This one, and this one here. So to put it back, you start with the bottom one first, and then the other 2. Okay, make sure it's fully down, and to secure the case on the bike, you press this lever and you lock it with this one. Okay, make sure it's flush. That means the case is properly locked. Okay. On the right side of the bike, you can adjust the suspension here. So you can tighten it if you put more load on the bike, if you feel the suspension is too soft. You can release it by hand quite easily. If you need to tighten it, it's a bit difficult, so you have a tool under the seat to do that. Let me show you. So you have the lock here, you use the same key as the bike, you unlock the seat. In this black bag here, you have a few tools. The tool to adjust the suspension, a high visibility jacket. In case you have to stop on the side of the road, you should put this on. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any question, you are welcome to ask and give me a call. Just enjoy your trip. Thank you very much. Bye.